I have to work during the day to support my family. I must stay disciplined as the father and the student of foreign trade operation, and I believe I must build a better future through education. I must and attend my class at night. I have to stay motivated despite being three and the believe I must not give up on the professional goals. I I have to organize my team, set a full I must keep a positive attitude and the student and the belief believe I have to improve my current in the question on the in the international trade trying to success.